Hello and welcome to my channel. You join me on a momentous day. This item you see in front of us is my brand new bench for the workshop. Or, if you like, my brand new operating table for the doctor's surgery. The frame itself is made with 25mm or inch box section, all welded together and painted. And there's two places on the side where you can use as shelves. Also, it's got 3/4 or 19mm plywood on the top and the little shelves, and this lovely part of it here, which we'll call a anti-roll-off mechanism that will keep all the tools, the screws, the springs, the ball bearings from rolling off the edge of the operating table. As you can see, it's just about 2 feet wide by about 6'5" long. So that's you fully updated now. Don't forget to give the video a like on the way out and check out my channel for all my other content.